Hey fellow Nevillers, we're back with our daily share, 15 of 365. Onwards. Today I'm up in Test Him and See from 1969. I just pick a random lecture, flick through my Kindle, and here we are. With a title like that, you know it's going to be one of those that smacks you into reality and wakes you up. Neville uses my favourite words in this one, so let me read you it and we'll see what they are. He says, tonight's subject is Test Him and See. In the second letter of Paul to the Corinthians, the very last chapter, the 13th, he calls upon all of us, for he is addressing us. Although it was written 2,000 years ago, he really addresses everyone in the world who will read the letter. And he said, here comes my favourite words from Neville, that and a billion others. He says, examine yourselves to see whether you are holding to your faith. Test yourselves. Do you not realise that Jesus Christ is in you? 2 Corinthians 13:5. Smile on the face. That's what makes me laugh so much about Neville. Do you not realise that Jesus Christ is in you? Onwards with the lecture. Well, if every Christian in the world were brutally honest with himself, he would answer, no, I do not realise it. I think of Christ as something on the outside. That's what the Christian would say. And you tell me he is in me? I am called upon to test myself. He says it one more time. Do you not realize that Jesus Christ is in you? Well, if Jesus Christ is in me, where is he? For I am told that all things are possible to him. Mark 9:23. I am told that by him all things were made, John 1:3, and without him was not anything made that was made. Now, I don't know whether you fellow Nevillers have created anything intentionally. I'm sure you have, and I have too, so we've tested it. Here's some more lovely words. Well, if the being who created and sustains the universe is in me, I want to find it. Well, of course, I should devote all my life to the discovery of that being who occupies me, who created and sustains the universe, to whom all things are possible. Well, I'll tell you who he is. He's your own wonderful human imagination. Your own wonderful imagination is the divine body of the Lord Jesus. Well now, test him and see, because he creates everything. There isn't a thing in this world that wasn't first imagined. Name it. Everything in the world that is now proven as something that is factual was once only imagined. You mean my imagination is the Lord Jesus? Yes, your imagination is the Lord Jesus, but he's dreaming. He is dreaming this world. He is dreaming that he is you, and as you. He is dreaming whatever you experience in this world. I don't care what it is, good, bad, or indifferent. Then Neville shares one of his visions where he couldn't quite figure out how to wake up and get back to this world because he was in another world. I've not tried any of that yet, my lovelies. Now, the test yourselves bit. Neville's got something for us right here. He says, just try it. Bring before your mind's eye a scene, friends, and have the friends congratulate you on your good fortune, and you accepted it just as though it were true. And then drop it, and then let it happen in this world. Let it happen. And I can tell you that I have tried that. One day I was at a boat launch. In fact, it was last Christmas. Some guy pulled up in a boat, kind of like way down in the distance, and I thought to myself, wow, a boat ride would be fantastic right now. And miracle of miracles, this guy turned up at the boat launch where me and my friend were standing and said, would you like to go for a ride? And that's exactly what we did. It was the best boat ride I'd ever had. So fast, so much fun. And a few days later, I'm like, good Lord, did I really do that? And I really did do that. So my loveliest fellow and Neville-aholic, be careful what you think. Be careful what you say, because it might just happen. Be it good, bad, or indifferent. So make sure it's good and wonderful and lovely. Be sure to leave me a comment with your instant manifestations, because I find this stuff absolutely magic. That's what it is. Thanks for your time and attention, my lovelies. Be sure to subscribe, some love, thumbs up. And I will see you tomorrow for the next one. Bye, guys.